What is going on, guys? Welcome to another episode of Bassing with Watts. And today's episode is going to be just a little different. I'm going to take you guys, I guess on a vlog style of me taking pictures of, I don't know. I got some props here. I got some fishing lures and some nature photography. So I'm just going to take you with me and kind of just film the process. Yeah, because I just like taking pictures. So whether it's somebody fishing or out while I'm fishing or things like that. So I just want to show you guys the process. So I got a couple spots in mind. One picture that I'm really going to try and capture today, maybe. I don't know if I can, but it involves another person casting, I guess you can say, and getting the lure to I don't know. I have the idea in my head. It sounds really cool, but stay tuned with me, guys. We're gonna go to the spot. So I'm heading to one of the spots right now. It's a spot over here by the river that I fish all the time. And every time I drive over this bridge, I always wanted to capture a picture of it because it looks really, really cool. So I'm going to go ahead and get set up. There's a lot of traffic right now, so mind the back noise of all the cars. But let's go ahead and get set up, and I'll show you guys how I'm taking the pictures of this. Got a really cool shot of that area on the bridge. It was pretty risky. I had to go. There's only a little concrete barrier between me and the cars, so I had to do that really quick. But I went ahead and drove over the bridge, and there's another little spot that I'm going to show you guys that I really wanted to take a picture of. And I think I'm going to take two photos. There's one of the waterfall, and then there's one facing towards the river. So I've always wanted to capture these kinds of things, so I had some time today, and I just kind of wanted to vlog it and share my experience with you guys on the process of taking these pictures. You know what I mean? The conditions aren't super windy, and it's really, really freaking cold. I was on that bridge, and that wind was just so we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get out of the truck and head down there and take a picture of that. Take the two pictures, one of the river and one of the waterfall. So let's go. It's great doing this stuff on the weekdays in the wintertime because there's nobody here. In the summertime there's hundreds of people. You got the raft guides and everything. But I think we got a good photo there too. I did one with I guess a fast shutter speed and then slow shutter. So it gave it that motion blur on the water, which was really cool. So we're going to this other spot where I actually put in my kayak, which is pretty cool. But I wanted to get a like at level river shot, so let's go do that. Yeah, I don't know what this is gonna amount to, but like in all my videos, I just want to record stuff. It's fun. I enjoy it, and I want to share the experience with you guys. So, yeah. Yeah, I don't know whoever put like those flowers there, but I guess it was like maybe somebody that passed away, but give me really cool like shot of the background of the river. So yeah, that was cool. Got the river, got the roses, the white roses. So yeah, they're coming out pretty good. Now I'm still like learning all this camera stuff and working with like shutter and ISO and all that fun stuff. So it's very cool to learn all this stuff. But yeah, I think we're gonna dip over and take some other pictures of like, I don't know, like my fishing rod and some fishing lures and stuff like that too. So yeah, let's go. Up this way. Cool. I think we got some good shots. So, yeah. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching another episode of Bassing with Watts. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you guys did, hit that subscribe button, ring that little bell, and smash that like button for me, guys. I will see you guys on the next episode of Bassing with Watts.